Obutukio boya bwekiombe gienze giokoringori igoro ya Moroire nigo bokoro kibona bakenya gwetania milioni ya mon guteisa tuisano na isato nigo bahambukiriwe binyinyi byo bureire bwenyamoryo abasaba sacha baguchangia sekerengo kya 25 igoro yemia okwambukirana kuburire bwenyamoryo nigo kugandetsa ko baigoro mono ase county cha Homa Bay Siaya Kisumu Migori Nairobi abasekerengo kya 50 na igoro yemia yo kwambukirana okuyakwe na kiwe unakwera umutende bwekiombe kya AIDS Healthcare Foundation rogongo rwa Nyanza Daktari Oliver Mito.
Men are heavily involved in teenagers getting pregnant and even the new HIV infections among our young girls. So if we can manage to bring our men on board, we'll ensure that this kind of issues don't happen, and that is why there's so much focus on the men.
Na se county ya Homa Bay wadi ya Kabondo West astokombrana na bara Wesonga oyuru mubaraka omusacha wa yasireti obugema buhaye kubwatikana no kwambukirwa ko ebinyinyi byenyamoryo kurengana barari nigagoteba buna bonsacho etaganetse kugenda nyagitari konyora mariogo.
Ukipatikana ama unajishuku kuna ugonjwa, tafadhali muende hospitali na partner wako muende mpimwe. Mimi bwanangu angesikia maneno aenda apimwe, saizi tungekuwa tuna meza dawa, tungeendelea na maisha yetu na tungelinda familia yetu. Ameniacha sasa, mimi ndio nalinda watoto peke yangu, inakuwa kazi ngumu. Baradi oyosenire n'abana batatu abotabwati burire bwenyamoryo nigakubaseme basacha wesokia na konyorobo bwenya ekera barenkire na konyorekana n'uburire obo. Sasa kwa wanaume, tafadhali nijaribu msikie wapendwa wenu, muende hospitali mujipime, mkue pamoja mlinde watoto. Boigo imeza up county ya Rachonyo nigotokomerana no mugaka Joseph Odori yomanyate no burire bwenyamoryo yokwera ikiye kwira basacha bange utesoke korengo na kumanya hari yabo yobochenu.
Well, my opinion, men feel they are the bosses, and sometimes they still think HIV belongs to others, not themselves. The challenge is, so into the community we still just preach the word HIV has no border, it's no boundary, anybody can have it. So the best thing is to just come out and be tested, irrespective of your status in the community.
Abasaina barabo nigo bakwera ekiye kogera abatari kwesoke na konyora mariogo agoke ya chinguru chebinyinyi byenyamoryo.
Da mingi ambayo vijana wengi siku hizi hawataki kuchukua dawa. Wanajionanga hao ni bingwa yani. All time wanajionanga tu yani wao umetosha. First kama kuna demo, unataka kuelezea demo ati unachukua medication. Sasa bidali unafaa kuja hapa kuchukua medication. Na tio hiyo date moja, huyo demo alikushow ati mwende pale. Itabidi ndio prove your girlfriend wrong ati you are not taking medication. You have to follow your girl's rule.
Mamincha nabo sebati abwarange bakwikirana se bitobi bochenu ekirabo ibo Trinity. Abasacha kerege keniko batari korigyo bubwene wekekera burire waba bwire kegema. Eke nigo gekoirira okumanya gengyo na kuirira amachiwa mabe. Obotumeki wa mariogo yoko kiye binyinyi byenyamoryo gose ARV sabasacha nigo wamentakanira sekerengo kya 53 ne moigoro yemya omwaka w'ekirubiro 20 wika ekerengo kya 90 igoro yemya omwaka w'ekirubiro 2023 nonyarabo tikaraikirania ekerengo gya kiombe kya UNAIDS kya 95 igoro yemya.
According to the HIV 2023 estimates, we found that 70% of the deaths came from men aged 30 years and above. So this clearly shows you that our men are not doing well health-wise in terms of if you look at people who are infected with HIV and their outcomes, we are having our men having poor outcomes, and that's why most of the deaths that we're having from HIV related are among our men. We are having our men and young boys shying away from coming to the facilities. Most men and young boys don't like to come to the facilities and queue. So we have a large pool of men and young boys who have not been tested for HIV outside the community, at the community level. So these are the ones who, you know, if you don't know your status, you might be spreading unknowingly.
Michando buno butumeki obo bwa mariogo yogutindi obutaka no gutekirana semero biriyo bose migoro yobochenu negati yari akwira makongwa yiga obutukiboigo nigo bokoro kibona basaya bake gwikabaria bemyaka yigatwa emyaka 15 ikemyaka 34 nigo bachangiye tekerengo kya 52 igoro yemya yo kwambukana no kuya kwa bantu abanene omwaka wa 2023.
They involve themselves in issues that actually detrimental to their health. What I mean by this is We have issues to do with alcohol and substance abuse. We have issues to do with dangerous sexual behaviors, and these actually have overall effect on increasing their risk of getting HIV and AIDS. So if we manage to talk to our men and boys well, if we manage to control our men and boys well, at the end of the day we'll be able to arrest the HIV spread and even eliminate AIDS by 2030.
Abamanyi niko bagotebna okogania ngorara wechinchera pene chigokore mechandeiga bono kobodia niko kogendera tukurwegwa guchiasaba Kenya na muno abasacha wezoke na wesona ne asoko bekomokia erego keya akwambukana kwebinyenyi byoburere bwenyamara yogose HIV.
And because of poverty scale, you offer a woman big amount of money, she will give in. And you know, sometimes to these other people they will talk of condom use, but for a dozy who gives out big cash, they will go in without using protection. In fact, it is a challenge, but it is a message that should go out and reach everybody. I have empathy for them, but I hope men one time will change. Each person should get tested.
So what we really want is the men and young boys to come out strongly, pick this issue up, come to the facilities, get tested, know your status, and if positive, be on medication, because we've been propagating all along is undetectable is equals untransmittable. What I mean by that is if you have the virus and you've been put on medication and you suppress the virus through routinely taking your drugs consistently, you are not able to transmit the virus to somebody else.
Yokwarganire na okoretero roboti rwabene igoro yoborire bwenyamaro imeyegeta senikyo yo Minto TV ritirana Bethuel Machin.